Hello, everybody. Heal the World Chapter 2 has begun. It's from August 25th to August 30th, and this came across because we felt that the world needs a lot of healing. The Afghan women, men, refugees, children suffering. Besides the COVID pandemic, we got lots of other things happening in the world. So, Heal the World does not only mean COVID pandemic, it also means people suffering all over the world. I'm so happy I got 9 lovely artists for today's show, and they have been very supportive and for a very good cause. They got beautiful artworks, and we'll all look forward to having you enjoy the view and the viewership of Heal the World Chapter 2. And I'm very happy to say that after success of Heal the World Part 1, we had a lot of sales, a lot of promotional inquiries, and Heal the World Part 2, I hope people come forward, support the artists, support all the people around in terms of work and sales and art and promotion. We look forward to that. So I'm Vikram City here, art curator, art organizer of Heal the World Chapter 2. Enjoy the show, please. Thank you. My friends, I wish to introduce artist Alpana Kataria from Gurugram, NCR, and she's a very talented artist. She has come one with spirituality in a sense that I must express something very interesting. Her works are as peaceful as a tree, trustworthy as a flower, creative as a rainbow, and talented as water. Born and brought up in Delhi, Alpana is a woman of class, extremely spiritual, and her paintings are a gateway to divinity. The divine and she are one when she paints. So she is a lovely expression of talent, and for her, in her own words, every moment is holy and every experience is important. She says, the universe is a beautiful painting made by the Almighty and inspires the soulful artist. Her works are very healing, and Heal the World too. She's one of my main artists who's done an amazing series for this, especially for this show. Very appropriate to the theme. And you see her works, they're very healing, very calm, and I love you to get in touch with me or her for inquiries. Enjoy the viewing. Thank you. Everyone, I'd like to introduce artist Anjali Singh. She is a very talented artist. She was born and brought up in Bihar, and she is presently living in Russia. She did a master's in history from India, and she is a self-taught artist with no formal training. Her different life experiences and her travels have made her understand art and colors very nicely. Her works depict a vivid description of her travels and her interests, and that has made her a successful artist. I'm very proud to introduce her as part of Heal the World. Please do have a look at her works and give me your feedback in case you like any of the works or in case you have any further queries. Thank you. Hi my friends, let me introduce artist Anjali Gupta from Karnataka. She started a journey as a hobby artist in 2010, and she learned under eminent artist Aziz TM, who helped her cultivate her painting skills. After that, she worked with Abby Joseph, who grasped a little of different mediums, as well as Vinu Madhav, who helped her graphite and charcoal realism. So, with the blessing guidance of her gurus, she wishes to explore different dimensions of art. Her works are amazing. As you know, she worked on charcoal, art, canvas, all different mediums she's worked with, all her various gurus. So, please do see her work. She has new talent of art from Anjali Gupta, Karnataka. So, it's amazing works. I would love all of you to see it. And any queries you have on her work, please contact me or her for further details. Thank you. Hello everybody, Let me introduce a budding young artist, Anjali Singh from Uttar Pradesh. It's her first online show ever, and she's an amazing talent. She does work in quill art, silhouette art, mandala art, and she does paper layering art. She's raching a journey of art and relates to the quote. Art has the power to transform, illuminate, educate, inspire, and motivate. So, my friends, Anjali Singh from Uttar Pradesh, see her amazing works. You don't at all feel it's her first show. Her works are so mature and so amazing. You feel like she's been born for it, born to the field of art. So, please do see the works of Anjali Singh, Uttar Pradesh, and enjoy. Thank you. Friends, let me introduce artist from Jammu, Sanjogita Dogra, and in her expression it said, "Art is not a mirror to hold up society, but a hammer which to shape it." Amazing words. So we have to all shape art the way we want, we will mold it to please people, appease yourselves and the others. She's a craftsperson endeavoring to achieve an adjustment through art in her own little way. Her work can be found in galleries in Jammu, Delhi, and Chandigarh, as well as the homes of several art collectors. The Buddha Art and Paintings is an art studio NGO which is very close to our heart, and it also offers certificate diploma courses, which she offers there. Secondly, her art craft is written by the Handicraft Jammu government. Sanjuta is a senior consultant also with National Institute of Fashion Technology as well as Pidilite Industries. So she is a multi-talented artist, and we all would love to see her works, and I love the viewers of you to express her love for her works and contact me or her for any further details. My friends, enjoy Sanjogita Dogra from Jammu. Thank you. I wish to introduce artist Shikha Mamkeen, who is based in Delhi. She's a native of Dehradun, Gadwal. Her works are colorful artworks, reflect simplicity, originality, soulfulness, and vibrancy of her homeland. Her use of thick paint and bold colors brings a vitality to her art, which is amazing. Her compositions capture picturesque landscapes of Uttarakhand as well as abstract spiritual expressions and real life events. Her art has been exhibited at various events and she won a recipient of many awards. So, my friends, please see artworks of artist Shikha Mamkeen and Heal the World too. And any inquiries you have, please contact her or me, and we love to be of help to you. Lovely works. Thank you. My friends, we should introduce artist Nidhi Bhatia from Bengaluru. She is a self-taught artist from Bengaluru. She is originally a computer engineer by profession, been 15 years in the line in the corporate world for computers, and now she is a passionate self-taught artist. Her expertise lies in graphite, oils, as well as acrylics and charcoal. She is a very sensitive and keen observer. Her life experiences, surroundings, people, events have been a source of inspiration for her. Meditation helps her a lot for her thoughts, her energy to put into art. And she, as she puts it, the chaos inside her mind onto the canvas she converts. So it's amazing talent she has, my friends. You must see her works. And she's one of the prime supporters of Heal the World Part 2 and a very famous talented artist. So please do see the works and enjoy the viewing. Any queries, contact her or me. Thank you. Hello, my friends. I'd like to introduce amazing young talent, artist Simran Ahluwalia from Moradabad, originally from Amritsar, but now based in Moradabad. Her work is amazing. She's a self-taught artist, experimenting with different subjects every day. She's a nature lover, and her favorite medium is oil on canvas, and her works are amazing. She loves whatever catches her eye in whether nature, a smile, legendary monuments, skies with all its the various colors and hues. She captures it on canvas. She enjoys abstract art too. Since childhood, her painting has been a passion of hers, and she has a passion of painting landscapes, which are also a mixture of abstract as well landscapes. That keep her going, keeps her emotions in check, and a bit therapeutic and healing also. She is a very appropriate artist for Heal the World too. I'm very proud to present my friends Simran Ahluwalia, Amritsar based and born originally, now based on Moradabad. Please do enjoy her works. Any queries, contact me or her. Thank you. Hello, my friends. We should introduce artist Meeta Rathore, who is a self-taught artist and she works with several mediums. I'm proud to say she has done about 6-7 shows with me online and offline, and she sold out of several works through me, through herself. Her talent is amazing. And to quote Paul Cézanne, a work of art which did not begin emotion is not art. So she is passionate about her work. So emotion and art is very important where she is concerned, and she is passionate. She is exhibiting a series of works which are a rendezvous with blue, which have been very well received all over the world. In fact, a few of the works she is displaying out here have already been sold. So just to give an idea of the work she is doing, she displayed these works. Otherwise, she has a vast repertoire of several works, and I'm very proud to introduce her, my friend Meeta Rathore from Lucknow. And please do look at her works and give me a feedback for any queries. Thank you.